Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Yes, I had a fail. Yeah, so sorry for the mess, but I didn't want to I failed terribly. So I decided I can't stop because then I'll be down because I messed, it just was horrible. And so I decided to give it a go. This is the colors from the runoff. So kind of got a little bit of pinkish in it. It had some pinks and purples and some metallic 24 karat gold in there. So hopefully we'll get some pretty cells out of there. I decided that I'm going to do like a Dutch pour with this. Yeah, so I think I'm going to kind of go, that's in an angle, I think. Yeah, I think I'm going to go in an angle, so I have a little bit of space there, but I'm going to be using some purples and blues, white for sure, and maybe black. It just depends. All right, the first color, I believe this is Dioxazine Purple. Hopefully my paints aren't too thick now because I got all that color down there. This one here is a navy blue. This one is Prism Violet. Metallic Sapphire. And then I'm going to do some white here. Ooh, that's terrible. Yeah, so. Alright, so let's see here. Get my blow dryer. Hopefully this turns out, or I'm going to be trying it again, something else. This is terrible. I'm trying to get some videos together to do some shout outs to different artists that have inspired me. So if this turns out, I would say this is probably gonna be like from I'm trying to think. Kanella Ciraco, she's like the Dutch pour queen in my eyes. Between her and Red Scadona. But when I do Red Scadonas, I'm going to do like a split base because that's what she does a lot of. So fingers crossed this turns out. And yeah, and I don't make a terrible mess here. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and... hate it. I think I want a little bit more blue here. I think I'll just blow it with my mouth here. White to come this way too. 1 second. I'm just gonna get the blow dryer and do that on low here. I like it. Definitely not as perfect as hers, obviously. She's amazing at these. But I am happy with how it turned out, considering I just came from an epic fail. So I'm okay with this. I like all the cells that are popping up. That's right. Pretty cool. I'm going to torch it real quick. Just a little bit, make sure there's no air bubbles. Oh my goodness, and then I got paint on me. Always happens. It never fails. It doesn't make any difference. That's why some of my videos you may see that I wear a lot of the same shirts, because I ruin them all. No, I don't want to tilt it. There we go. Just wanted to get some of that to go over there. But I like it. I don't hate it. Like I said, it's not like as good as hers. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna count this as a shout out to her, because I feel like it's just too much, rather than, you know, having some tons of negative space. Like I think I have just too much of my paint down there. It was probably too thick, but I don't hate it. I do like all the cells that are in there. I wish there was more like white like this, like that. I like that a lot. But I'll bring you down so you can get a closer look. Oh, sorry about that. Put the lights off here. Sorry. No, you don't want to see my messy table. Miss Pink, she's ready to get out of here. But it is pretty. Like, I don't hate it. I like it. So maybe. We'll see. The cells are awesome. The colors are vibrant, so that's always a good thing. I love that when they're more vibrant, so I like it. I don't hate it at all. So this is my Dutch pour shout out to Kanella Ciraco. Definitely not as good as hers, but I don't hate it. She's amazing at it. She does other things as well, but her Dutch pours are the bomb. They're absolutely amazing. But I like it. I do like it. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the short video. And you will like and subscribe. Share would be amazing. Help me grow my channel. I'm working very hard at growing my channel. And I also have an Etsy shop, and my Instagram has a lot more pieces of art there that I have created before I even started doing videos. One thing with your Dutch pours, you want to absolutely make sure that you do scrape your bottoms, because you don't want to continually pull your paint off, because those drips will just keep pulling at it. So either you use your popsicle stick, probably shouldn't use your fingers, but it's okay. And but I do thank you for watching. And yeah, I'll put all my information in the description below. I also customize pieces to your liking if you would like. Colors, style, anything, sizes. Oh look. We got a stray cat outside. She can't even get to the window. But thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully everybody's healthy and safe from COVID. And yeah, keep being creative. Lesson learned today is don't give up. I had a total epic fail, and now I love this one. I really do. The more I look at it, the more I like it. The colors are amazing. The cells are amazing. So yeah, I'm happy with it. But thanks for watching. Keep being creative. Bye.